Who's into augmented reality? Well, I got this through the post, and this is Zappar. And inside, we're just gonna have a little quick look, and it's pretty light. It does say there's a T-shirt in there, and it says we present to you an unofficial royal wedding T-shirt by Philip Normal. On the 19th of May, celebrate with us in style. Wear the T-shirt with pride. Open up the box and zap the love. So let's get it undone. So let's take a look inside the box. I will try to undo the box. There you go. So you get this paperwork and it explains everything. And what we've got, some tabs there, some black sort of paper stuff. Undo that. Oh mate. Oh no. It's a freaking royal wedding. Nah, it's pretty obvious, isn't it? Okay, so chuck that box to the floor. Got a bit of green card there. It's quite a good quality T-shirt actually. Feels alright. Oh bloody hell. Okay, so you're seeing this before I am. So there's obviously Rachel and Henry, or no, sorry, I got it wrong. It's Meghan and Harry. So let's see what happens when you do the argument of reality with the Zappar. Okay. Right, so I've got I got the tight T-shirt on. I think this is for a kid, isn't it? But anyway, I've got Henry or Harry on my one right pectoral and Meghan and Rachel on the left. Look, do you reckon it suits me? Oh my god, right, anyway, where's this Zappar app? Right, so I downloaded my Zappar app, which is here. I'm going to show you exactly what happens on the screen. So, there's my Zappar app. Bang. We'll connect to that. Now, we're going to scan the T-shirt. There we go. Taking a picture of my damn self. It actually wasn't too hard. Choose Royal Souvenir Totes. High tea towel. Serving up Royal's realness. And envelope. Donate to Albert Kennedy Trust. Right, okay. Well, yeah, this is what it looks like. So, it looks pretty cool. I like the augmented reality that you can, even with Coca-Cola, Zappar works with. They work with loads of big companies, and that means that everything that you look at, you can have a T-shirt, and people can always ask in like, oh, that T-shirt's got some symbolic message. What's that about? If you've got T-shirts like this, then you can find out a little bit more information and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. But anyway, that's my royal wedding unboxing. So yeah, check out link in the description down below if you want to purchase one. And happy royal wedding. See you, I'm out.